Hey, friend, your bank account is silently shrinking, and you might be unknowingly sabotaging your financial future. Instead, discover these three very simple habits that can transform your financial situation and watch your savings grow exponentially. Number one, track your spending diligently. Use budgeting apps or tools to keep a close eye on where your money goes. While tracking, unleash the magic of the 24-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchases, wait for 24 hours. This simple trick can help you avoid impulse buys and unnecessary expenses. Number two, set specific financial goals. Break them down into achievable steps and celebrate small victories along the way. Number three, negotiate your bills like a pro. Contact your service providers from cable to insurance and negotiate for better rates. You'll be surprised at how much you can save with a simple phone call. Now, I love to give bonuses. So here's bonus tip number four. Cooking at home not only saves money, but also promotes healthier eating habits. Plan your meals, buy ingredients in bulk, and wave goodbye to expensive takeout. Save this post to kickstart your journey to financial success. Share your financial goals in the comments or DM me for personalized advice. This is Dr. Seb at Dr. Seb Talks Money.